Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to test all sensors in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to test all sensors, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for device here. Tap on it. Then scroll down again and you'll get diagnostics option. From here you just have to wait for its loading and then we'll going to test our sensors. Just tap on phone diagnostics and here you must have to look for sensors. Here's that, tap on it and here just tap on test again. It will test all of your sensors and it will tell you if there is any issue. So you just have to wait for it until it's checking, and here you can see all the sensors are normal. So that's how you can easily test all the sensors in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.